Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so week number 2's word of the week is endurance. Now, that word endurance, it sounds long. What does that word mean? Have you heard it before? Have you used it before? Okay, so the definition for endurance is the ability to sustain, that means to continue, something for a long period of time. Okay, so the ability to work out or be active for a long period of time is the definition for endurance. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout and your activity of the day, and I'll see you soon. Welcome to Fast 5 week number 2. Now this workout today is going to be 4 exercises, 2 rounds, 30 seconds for each workout, 1 minute break in between. Okay, so today's workout is going to be number 1, skaters, number 2, lunges, number 3, scissor kicks, and number 4, shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those activities in just a moment. All right, so for today's Fast 5, 4 workouts, it's gonna be again, skaters is 1, 2 is lunges, 3 is scissor kicks, and 4 is going to be our shoulder taps. Okay, so workout number 1, exercise number 1, skaters. So what you're gonna do is you guys can start on your left side or you can start on your right side. It's completely up to you. And what you're gonna do is you are going to leap to the other side. So if I start on my left, I'm gonna leap to the right, and then my left foot is gonna go behind me like this. And then I'm gonna leap to the left, and then my right foot's gonna go behind. So it looks like this. Leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind. That's skaters. 2, lunges. Now lunges, I'll do it side so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. You're gonna select one foot or one leg to go forward. I'm gonna start with my left foot going forward. My right knee is gonna go straight down, almost tapping the floor. I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna switch, okay? So this is if I let my right foot go forward. Right foot goes forward, left foot goes down, okay? So what you guys can do is you can go up, and then switch this way. Or if you wanted to do a twist, you can go 1 foot forward, turn your body, and then switch. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? Third one, you're gonna go on your bottom. Scissor kicks, similar to our flutter kicks, except instead of going up and down, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go side to side, like a scissor is cutting, okay? Last but not least, our shoulder taps. You're gonna get into a push-up position. So your hands are going to be about shoulder width away. Get into that plank push-up plank position, and then you're going to get one arm, tap your shoulder, tap, and you're going to go back and forth. Okay. So those are the 4 exercises that we're going to do today. Again, 30 seconds each one. After the first round, 1 minute water break, and then we're going to repeat the 4 exercises again. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters. Notice how I'm shifting my weight side to side. If you want to challenge yourself, go faster. Leap further. 1, notice how I'm using my arms to go side to side as if I'm really roller skating or ice skating. 5 seconds left. All right, next one up. We got the lunges. All right, here we go, lunges. Again, you almost want to touch the floor. Do not bang your knee down. You're gonna feel it. Keep going, don't give up. All right, let's get down. Let's go with those scissor kicks. Go. All right, last one, shoulder taps. Again, push your plank, tap, back and forth. Try to keep your back straight as much as possible. All right, 1 minute water break. Right now I'm drenched. I'm sweating like crazy, so if you guys are really pushing yourself, you're gonna be exhausted. Make sure you use that 1 minute water break. Right now you should be focusing on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, we got about 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go with skaters, side to side. I'm challenging you guys to work harder than you did the first round. If you guys want to get more fit, you gotta do these workouts all the way through as best as you can. Challenge yourself. Do one more than you did the last round. Let's say you did 20 of these, try going for 25. You did 10, go for 15. Push yourselves. All right, next one up. Lunges, let's go. I'm actually gonna do the rotation. Oh, I'm feeling it. Woo. All right, next one up. We got those scissor kicks. Side to side. Again, try to get more than you did last time. So only 30 seconds. Push yourselves. All right, last one. Let's go. Shoulder taps. Great job, you did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. I hope you guys were working hard. You stayed the whole time. You tried your best. You challenged yourself. Keep up the good work. All right, don't forget, get some water, get a towel, and get ready for your activity of the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it's called The Shooting Star. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So for this activity, you're gonna need a few household items. You're gonna use one sock, some bouncy balls or ping pong balls, and a bucket. Those are the only items you're gonna need. All right, so I'm gonna go to place the ball in the middle and then I'm gonna launch it out. If the ball shoots out and then bounces but still makes it in the bucket, that counts. If the ball bounces off the wall, the door, whatever you guys have around, and it lands inside the bucket, it counts. If the ball just rolls and magically pops up and lands inside the bucket, guess what? You guessed right, it counts. So as long as the ball ends up inside of the bucket, that's all that matters. Here we go. Put it in the middle, and when I'm ready, I'm gonna just pull away from my body and hopefully make it in. All right, that's one. All right, number 5 went in. Oh, number 6 went in. Oh, number 7. Number 8. Oh, well, it's like number 9. Sorry. Oh. And that was 10. Here we go. Oh, there we go, on his first shot, number 1. Good try, number 2. Number 3 goes in. All right, number 5, no good. Oh, number 6 goes in. Oh, number 7, no good. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Shooting Star. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Please comment below. What was your final score? What did you use for the activity? We'd love to know. Drop a comment below. Also, as a reminder, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.